Hello, my dear children. Hope you have all enjoyed your Eid holidays and celebrated Eid very well. Now, we'll be moving on to the next lesson, that is nutrition in animals. We have already seen the first lesson, that is nutrition in plants. We saw how different types of plants obtain nutrients, etc. So in this lesson, we'll be seeing how nutrition takes place in animals, especially in human beings. Okay, so in this lesson, you will be coming across how digestion takes place in human beings, and you'll be studying the structure of the digestive system in detail. Okay, so let's watch and come back. Nutrition in animals. Animal nutrition includes nutrient requirement, which means what are the nutrients that we need. The next one is mode of intake of food. Different animals have different ways of taking in food. And the third one is utilization in the body. How these nutrients are used by our body. We have already studied about the different nutrients that are required by our body. That is, the different components of food. Which are they? We have already studied carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, water and roughage. Now, most of these components of food are complex in nature. Complex means our body cannot use these nutrients directly. They should be first broken down into simple forms. For example, carbohydrate is a nutrient that our body needs. But carbohydrate is a complex form. It should be first broken down into glucose. Only then our body can utilize it or use it. So, glucose is the simplest form of carbohydrate. So, digestion is the breaking down of complex components of food into simpler substances. Now, the mode of intake of food. That means the different ways by which different organisms take in food. Bees and hummingbirds suck the nectar of plants, whereas human infants, that means babies, and many other animals feed on their mother's milk. Pythons swallow the prey, and some water animals or aquatic animals filter the food particles in water and then eat them. So different organisms have different ways of taking in food. Now let us see digestion in humans. The digestive system in human beings consists of mainly two parts: the digestive tract or the alimentary canal and the associated glands. The alimentary canal, also called as the digestive tract, consists of different parts, and the associated glands are salivary gland, liver and pancreas. These together form the digestive system. This is our digestive system. As I said earlier, it consists of mainly two parts, the alimentary canal and the associated glands. Now, the alimentary canal consists of different parts. The first one being the buccal cavity or the mouth. The second, esophagus or food pipe. You can see a pipe-like structure going. The third one is the stomach. Next part is the small intestine, followed by the large intestine and anus. Now, the associated glands include the salivary glands, the liver and the pancreas. These glands produce digestive juices which helps in the process of digestion. We will see the role of each of these parts in the coming classes.